Hey guys, look what I have in front of me. This is the Mega Mighty Loom from Rainbow Loom. It is one of their newest cases, and it comes with the new Auto Loom. I'm so excited. This is from Target. You can only get it at Target stores or Target.com. And according to Rainbow Loom, it is only available for a limited time. At least for now it is. So if you want one, go ahead and grab it before they're gone. One big upside, besides it coming with the super cool Auto Loom, is it comes with a Mega Loom, 7 bars wide. So you guys know I have some of those on my channel. And I do have one coming out on Friday. So if you have this loom, it's going to make your life a whole lot easier. So this is the back side of it. Just giving you some instructions. So showing some pretty bracelets. It shows what it includes. We got the rainbow organizer case, the Mega Mighty Loom, 1 Auto Loom, 2 hooks, 2100 bands, 50 beads, 50 C-clips, and instructions. So I am going to get this taken out of the box, and then we're going to look it over. Alrighty, so I got it all out of the box. We have our little Auto Loom here. I have been dying to try this little thing. I could not wait to test it out. So it's obviously a very lightweight plastic. On the back, I actually thought that somebody tested it out and forgot to take the bands off and realized that's on there for a purpose. It is to cause the resistance for the Auto Loom. So that's good. If your band breaks, obviously we can replace it. So we're definitely going to be testing that out. And then you can also, I'm sure, push it down on the table. So yeah, I'm going to test that out. I love this case. The shape of it, the little handle, super cute. I can see this going with me when I'm running out. So I'm going to flip this guy open, see what we got going on in here. So we have that 7 bar wide loom I was telling you about. So it's a very lightweight plastic. It does feel very sturdy though, which is really nice. Now you do have the little notches here on the side, so it looks like you can connect multiple together. It doesn't look like it would work with the other looms, like the blue and the other purple looms, but don't quote me on that. I don't know for sure, but it doesn't look like it would work, but it does look like it would connect together on this one. There's little notches here, and obviously they're there. So now I don't know if you can, oh, I think you can do it long ways because there's little notches there too. So that's really good. Wow, that's amazing. To be able to just have 7 bars already together and to be able to connect it together, this could really be a game changer for me. I hate putting 7 bars together. It's a nightmare. Alrighty, so inside of here we have some beads, our C-clips. I hope it's not too dark. The light was like beaming too much and I had to turn it down. And I'm right near the dryer, so you probably hear that. Just bear with me. I was excited and wanted to show you guys this. Here is the little hook that comes in it. I really like the shape of this hook. And it's skinny, so that's good for adding beads. We got the instructions in here. I usually don't look at instructions. I kind of just do my own thing, but let's check it out. Alright, showing us how to do a fishtail on the Auto Loom. How to push it down. Oh, you can use your finger to push it down. Okay, yep. What's this? Other ways to hold the loom. Okay, so it's showing you different ways. Periodically swap the rubber bands on the loom itself. Ah, okay, see? I knew that before reading it. I'm sure everybody would know that. It functions best with 3 to 4 bands to keep its tension. So you'll see that this has 3 or 4. I think there is 4 on there. So that's good to know. Make sure you know that if you ever have to change it out. I think a lot of you are going to want to get this. I'm serious. It's going to really come in handy. So it's having an X up here for something. Oh, for twisting, for fishtail. All right, I'm going to stick the instructions to the side, but let me show you the back really quick. For those of you who want to follow a paper pattern, there is some pattern. I think 2, or no, maybe it's 1. Oh, it's a 3-step. Sorry, I'm like looking all over at the same time. I usually look at something before I come on camera, but I didn't do that today. I'm seeing it for the first time with you guys. So, all right, let's put this to the side. I want to feel these rubber bands. I keep hitting my camera. Ooh, I gotta say, I thought these were going to be a cheap quality rubber band, but they feel really good. I think I'm going to like them. Yes, yes, yes. I don't like when bands are really thin, and these feel like they're going to be good. So let's grab the Auto Loom. Oh, well, let me show you the colors real quick. So obviously you can see them, but we have some purple. Oh, we have baby blue. We got some teal, neon green, yellow, and pink. All right, let's grab our Auto Loom and test this baby out. So I'm going to grab yellow first. Oh, this is a thicker, this feels like a little bit of a different material than the other bands. It feels, I don't know, a little tighter. Yeah, these ones are like softer. I can't really explain it, but they're softer. The yellow feels maybe a little more plasticky. It has like a snap to it. I like that though. Some of you may not. Anyway, so we're going to take our yellow band and we're going to twist it on like a figure 8. Push it down. And now I'm going to grab a purple. We're going to lay that straight across. And we'll do a teal. I'm standing up filming and this feels so weird because I'm always sitting normally. Alright, so we have 3 of them on there. I'm going to push the bottom. Let's see how this works. Ready? Uh-oh. Didn't work. Let me look at the instructions. Could be user error. Okay, let's see. If the loom tip misses picking up one side of the rubber band, use your finger to push the missed band down and loom again. All right, let's try that. So see how it's kind of, I'm going to move these to the side so it doesn't keep blurring out. All right, so we're going to push it down and try it again. Ha! Oh, well that didn't work. All right, we're going to try that again. That was a fail, but I was rushing, so let's try it again. Grab some purple, some blue. I'm going to use pink because maybe that yellow being a little bit of a different material is affecting things. I don't know. So we're going to twist it on. Lay our pink and our purple. All right, gonna push down. All right, yeah, that's really satisfying. All right, let's push it down. And gosh, everything feels so far away from me. Let's see, what's my first color? Blue. I guess the key is making sure you push it down after each time. I might not even be grabbing the right color, but I'm just going to grab. All right, so I did it this way a few times. Now I'm going to try to loom with pushing it on the table. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. All right, let's lay a purple. Push it down some. All right. I'm just going to start grabbing random bands now. And let's see how fast we can move along. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I definitely love this. I love the fact that we can just bloop, bloop. Yeah. Once you get the first couple bands on, doesn't even seem like you have to keep pushing it down. I know I just did purple, but oh, I love this, you guys. I'm not even kidding. I really love this. I feel like a kid in a candy store. I feel like I'll go to make a fishtail for my son or for friends. And I'm always like trying to keep my hook like in my pinky while I lay the band so I don't got to keep picking it up. This just makes it so much easier, so much faster. This is definitely a winner. So I'm not going to make a whole bracelet right now, but winner for sure. Love that. Alrighty, so I put the auto loom to the side. I want to test this loom out. I'm not going to make anything big. I just want to lay a couple, see how it holds up, and see how the bands are. So I'm just going to kind of start down here somewhere, and I'm just going to do just a basic single chain to see how it goes. And I'm just going to grab different colors. I don't know if it's me, but I feel like the spacing on these are smaller than the original Rainbow Loom. The pin feels smaller and the spacing does, but I've never used any of these looms, like the purple, the blues. So you guys might be used to that. Are they like that for you guys? Or am I just losing it? Talk about having no type of color pattern. What am I doing? I just want to try out different colors, that's all. See how they perform. What the, another purple one. I'm going to grab the hook. I'm going to use the back of it to push them down, which works nicely. I'm going to place a cap band on the front. I'll tell you what, the hook is really good as far as the groove and grabbing. I feel like it's got a longer, oh, sorry, I forgot I zoomed in. It has a longer, like, groove in there where the neck is, which makes it so easy to pick the bands up. All right, I'm going to pull this off. And nothing broke. The bands seem good. They have a good stretch to them. They don't feel like those kits that have the, that are in a bucket. They don't feel like that. They feel very cheap to me, which I don't like saying that, but it's true. The ones that come in that bucket, there's like 8,000 or something. They're not good. I like these. So I know that was a super quick little video, but I just wanted to check out this auto loom and show it to you guys and show you this kit because I think it's really cool and awesome, and it's a limited time. So I wanted to make sure that everyone know about it. Don't forget that you can only get this at Target or Target.com, and it is only available for a limited time. So if you want one, go and grab it. That's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you soon at my next video. Bye!